How to remove hyperlink from PDF online. So here in my PDF, as you can see, I have a hyperlink that navigates me to the canva.com. So in order to remove this, first of all you have to do is open the Canva account. So you can simply navigate to any web browser and go to the canva.com and sign in using your Google account. Then tap on the create button available at the left hand side bar. Then tap on the uploads. Then inside uploads, all you have to do is tap on the upload files option available there and select the PDF from where you want to remove the hyperlink off. Now once there, you will be navigated to the design you just created. Now select the hyperlink. Here as you can see, my hyperlink is www.canva.com. Now all you have to do is select it. You can edit the whole PDF here. Now all you have to do is tap on it and remove it. Once removed, tap on the share icon available at the top right corner and download it again as a PDF version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.